Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Expobar Barista 4th edition, if I'm not mistaken. This is a dual boiler espresso machine by Expobar. Really great machine, really heavy machine. And then pretty much it came in because one, the switches weren't working at all. The machine wouldn't power on entirely. When I went back there and looked behind the switches, there's where I found that there was a lot of burnt wiring, so I redid that. And then I had to replace the switch entirely because the switch wouldn't work. After doing that, I did replace the vacuum release valve. It was leaking on this machine. It just looked very old. And then we did a tune-up on this machine, replacing the gasket and the group head gasket, backflushing this machine, descaling this machine. Now, the issue with descaling is this machine has quite a lot of scale, very vibrant scale that's in there when you use the machine. If you were to descale the machine, it would come out neon green. Now, when it's that bad, usually it's blue or light blue, but when it's neon green, you cannot really backflush it properly or descale it properly. You risk the chance of really messing up your heating elements, and you got to replace them, and that's really not good. So I instantly took all the descaler out. I descaled it, I guess, a little bit in the process of doing that. It was quite a lot of descaler that went in there already, and then I flushed it out. So gladly, we did not mess up the heating elements, so we're still able to get this thing turning on. Just be very cautious when you do decide to try to descale this machine, if you do on your own. Also, just make sure you put in really good water in this machine, and make sure to replace that water tank filter. So we did that. Also, while we were fully cleaning the machine, the pump decided just to give out. The water pump was from if you can see here, 2015. Usually water pumps last about 5 to 6 years before needing to be changed or seeing any diminish in your water flowing through. Oh, here's the original vacuum release valve too, as you can see a lot of scale. So we did replace that, and now it's running well. So we're gonna make a shot using our test coffee. This might be a little fine, but that's okay. We're just here to test the pressure on both the group head and also making sure that water is fully running through. So we're gonna let it run. You see that's gonna start ramping up. There it goes. Pushing, there you go. Now we're getting a good shot. This is about 10 bars. Yeah, this is really fine coffee, so we're pushing 11, but that's perfectly fine. That's actually a good thing that your pump's able to go that high without giving out. So when I tried backflushing this machine beforehand with the old pump, it will get to 9 and it'll completely turn off. But now we're at 11, pushing 12, and we're making a really nice shot. Alrighty, turn that off. I see all that back pressure just goes through the back. Really, really nice shot there, as you can see. Now we're going to test the steam one. Now we had some issues with the customer had said he had some issues with the steam one not being too powerful, and the reason for that being was this valve, which goes on your steam boiler, will close itself when you get up to pressure, but since it was leaking, a lot of your pressure just left through the top of the machine. And also, we're going to test the hot water function by pulling this out. We're going to run this up. Yeah, looking great. Got this machine back running, really good condition. And yeah, gonna turn this off. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.